Chinese cuisine is incredibly diverse, encompassing a range of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that reflect the country's vast geography and rich cultural history. Traditionally, Chinese culinary arts are categorized into 8 major regional cuisine, each offering unique characteristics and specialties. Here's an overview of these 8 culinary traditions. 1. Shandong Cuisine. Shandong Cuisine, also known as Lu Cuisine, originates from Shandong Province in northeastern China. It's one of the oldest culinary styles, with a history spanning over 2,500 years. Known for its emphasis on fresh, salty flavors, Shandong Cuisine prominently features seafood due to its coastal location. Common ingredients include scallops, prawns, clams, and a variety of fish. The cuisine is also noted for its use of grains like wheat and corn, reflecting the region's agricultural abundance. When you think of Shandong cuisine, imagine the salty sea breeze and the bustling fish markets. The chefs here have perfected the art of bringing out the natural flavors of seafood, often with just a touch of seasoning. It's like they've bottled the essence of the ocean and poured it into their dishes. And let's not forget about their mastery of wheat-based foods. The noodles and dumplings from this region are so good, they could make a carb counter weep with joy. 2. Sichuan Cuisine. Moving southwest, we encounter Sichuan Cuisine, hailing from Sichuan Province. This cuisine is celebrated for its bold and spicy flavors, the liberal use of garlic, chili peppers, and the unique Sichuan peppercorn imparts a distinctive numbing sensation known as mala. This cuisine employs various cooking methods, including stir-frying, steaming, and braising. Notable dishes encompass mapo tofu, kung pao, chicken, and the region's famous hot pots. Eating Sichuan cuisine is like embarking on a thrilling culinary adventure. It's not just about the heat, it's about the complex layers of flavor that dance on your tongue. The famous Sichuan peppercorn isn't just spicy, it creates a tingling, numbing sensation that's utterly unique. It's like your taste buds are at a wild party, and everyone's invited. From the fiery kick of mapo tofu to the satisfying crunch of kung pao chicken, Sichuan cuisine is a feast for the senses. 3. Guangdong Cuisine. Next, we have Guangdong Cuisine, also known as Cantonese or Yu Cuisine. Originating from Guangdong Province and the regions of Hong Kong and Macau, it's perhaps the most globally recognized Chinese culinary tradition. It emphasizes the natural flavors of fresh ingredients, employing mild seasonings and light cooking techniques such as steaming and stir-frying. A hallmark of Cantonese dining is dim sum, a variety of bite-sized dishes traditionally served with tea. Other popular dishes include sha sayu and white-cut chicken. Cantonese cuisine is like the gentle whisper of flavor compared to Sichuan's shout. It's all about letting the natural taste of ingredients shine through. Imagine biting into a perfectly steamed dumpling where you can taste every nuance of the filling. Or picture a piece of char siu, glistening with its sweet savory glaze. As for dim sum, it's like a parade of delicious little bites, each one a miniature work of art. 4. Jiangsu Cuisine. Jiangsu Cuisine, particularly the Wyang style, is renowned for its refined cooking techniques and emphasis on harmony of flavors. The cuisine features a balance of sweet and salty tastes, with a focus on maintaining the original flavors of high-quality ingredients. Dishes often showcase meticulous knife skills and artistic presentation. Signature dishes include sweet and sour mandarin fish and lion's head meatballs. If Jiangsu cuisine were a person, it would be that elegant, sophisticated friend who always knows which fork to use at a fancy dinner. The chefs here are like culinary artists, creating dishes that are as beautiful to look at as they are delicious to eat. Take the sweet and sour mandarin fish, for example. It's not just a fish dish. It's a sculpture that happens to be edible. You won't believe the chef's knife skills. These chefs could probably perform surgery with their cleavers if they wanted to. 5. Fujian Cuisine. Fujian Cuisine, also known as Min Cuisine, originates from Fujian province. It's characterized by its emphasis on umami flavors and a use of fresh, local ingredients from both the mountains and the sea. Soups and broths are central to this cuisine, often featuring seafood, bamboo shoots, and a variety of mushrooms. The cooking methods prioritize preserving the original flavors of the ingredients, with techniques such as braising, stewing, steaming, and boiling being prevalent. A renowned dish from this region is Buddha Jumps Over the Wall, a complex soup incorporating a variety of premium ingredients. Fujian cuisine is like a love letter to umami. It's as if the chefs have found a way to distill the very essence of deliciousness and infuse it into every dish. Their soups are legendary. Imagine a bowl of clear broth that tastes like it contains the wisdom of 1,000 chefs. 6. Zhejiang Cuisine. Zhejiang Cuisine hails from Zhejiang province and is celebrated for its light and fresh flavors, with an emphasis on seasonal ingredients. The region's proximity to the coast means that seafood plays a significant role in its dishes. Cooking methods such as steaming, braising, and quick frying are commonly employed to preserve the natural taste and texture of the ingredients. Notable dishes include Westlake vinegar fish and dongpo pork, a rich braised pork belly dish named after the Song Dynasty poet Su Dongpo. 7. Hunan Cuisine. Hunan Cuisine, from the landlocked province, is known for its bold, spicy flavors, often surpassing even Sichuan Cuisine in heat. The cuisine makes liberal use of chili peppers, garlic, and shallots, with a preference for fresh, bright flavors. Common cooking techniques include stir-frying, steaming, smoking, and braising. A famous dish is Chairman Mao's red braised pork, reflecting the former leader's fondness for this hearty, flavorful preparation. 8. Anhui Cuisine. Last but not least, we have Anhui Cuisine, originating from the Huangshan Mountains region. It's known for its use of wild herbs and a focus on stewing and braising techniques. The cuisine emphasizes natural flavors and often incorporates ingredients sourced from the local mountains and rivers, such as bamboo shoots, mushrooms, and a variety of freshwater fish. A notable dish is stewed soft-shelled turtle with ham, showcasing the region's penchant for hearty, nourishing stews. Each of these 8 cuisines offers a unique culinary experience, reflecting the diverse landscapes, climates, and cultural histories of their regions. From the coastal flavors of Shandong to the fiery heat of Hunan, from the refined elegance of Jiangsu to the rustic heartiness of Anhui, Chinese cuisine is a tapestry of flavors, techniques, and traditions. It's a culinary journey that can take you from the peaks of misty mountains to the shores of bustling harbors, all without leaving your dining table. Exploring these traditions provides a comprehensive understanding of the richness and complexity of Chinese gastronomy, offering a taste of China's vast cultural landscape with every bite. So the next time you sit down for a Chinese meal, remember, you're not just eating food, you're experiencing centuries of culinary artistry and cultural heritage. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.